Hey guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Yes, you're seeing two videos in one day because this video just could not wait. You have to watch this. And if you haven't been to the sale where they're doing a 10 off the candles right now, get there and get this candle. So today's video is actually going to be a candle review on the Bath and Body Works Fresh Fall Morning. Just to give you the notes of it, the notes is citrus zest, woodland sage, red delicious apples made with essential oils. Is a 14.5 candle, and this is what the top looks like. Just a basic gold top. The wicks are thick, they're not thin, and it has an even pull out. This is actually my second time burning it. I'm getting it lit up for the second time right now. So, woo, y'all, I'm just gonna say it. Go get this candle right now. Go get this candle right now. Go get this candle right now. Okay? They're even doing 10 off 30. Use your Ibotta. Use your Ibotta, get cash back. Do it now. Okay? Throw it back. Throw it back. Alright. If y'all ain't check out that new Missy too, check out that new Missy Elliott album. Fire. But anyway, back to Fresh Fall Morning. Y'all, this candle is amazing. So amazing. I have a backup of it. It'll be in another haul that'll come out probably next month. Y'all, whoo, all the reviews that you're seeing on bathandbodyworks.com is true. People saying how delicious it is, how this candle is definitely a staple, how they hope it comes back every year. Y'all, this candle right here is the truth. Okay, I say on the scent radar, it's about a 7 to an 8. Like I said, even pull out with the wax. It has like the cream colored wax, and the packaging is just really, really pretty. It is a fresh fall morning. This will put you in the mindset of autumn. When you light it, you just go back to being young and going outside and going hiking or going out in the crisp air in the morning, about to catch the school bus, preparing for when it gets a little bit cooler outside and it's going to be Halloween soon. It puts you in that mood. This is nothing but fall. I don't get a lot of apple in it. It's a little bit of apple, but not too much. It's just amazing. This is something you can actually use year round. If you wanted to light this candle year round, that wouldn't be a problem. But y'all, I have to tell you about this candle. Please, if you don't have it, go and pick at least one up. Oh my God, I think on bathandbodyworks.com, they have a 4.8 star. And if you're going to order through bathandbodyworks.com, go through Rakuten. I'll leave all the cashback links below, because if you're going to get candles and you're going to spend money, get cash back. Y'all know I do it all the time, so I preach it. But yeah, back to this candle. This candle is just amazing. I don't know what else to say, but I just wanted to get on here real quick and tell you, if you do not have this candle, if you do not have it as part of your collection for this fall, ladies, gentlemen, everyone watching, Fresh Fall Morning needs to be in your collection. This is going to be coming out in a wallflower. So this is in wallflower form, but I have not seen it in hand soap form. But whew, I wish it would come out in hand soap. It's that good. This is fall all in one. This wraps fall all up in one. That's all I can say. This is fall, and I love it. So if you guys can get your hands on this candle, definitely get it. It's amazing, and I just had to get on here now and tell you guys, any room this can go in. Small room, big room, medium. This candle is legit. And y'all know it's hard for me to go 100% hard for a candle. But this candle right here is the truth. So definitely make sure that you get it. Again, that's Fresh Fall Morning, y'all. Hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe. And I'll leave all the links to getting cash back and saving money below. But get this candle. Get it in your life. Love it so much. Got to have a backup of it, okay? Might need a new backup to the backup to the backup. But yes, this candle is a must-have. Sexy man, out the shower scent, amazing, fresh fall morning, autumn, all in one. So definitely get this candle.